Hey everyone, this is Shruti from class 6M and today I will be performing an activity and the topic is filtration. It would be a type of science project too. So let's get started. But before starting, I would like to give a small definition about filtration. So what is filtration? Filtration is the process by which very fine insoluble solids can be separated from solid mixture by passing it through a suitable porous material. Okay, so now we are ready because now we know what is filtration. So now let's get started. So the materials which we need to do this filtration process are 2 small cups. You can use bigger cups if you are having bigger stands. Then some colorful pebbles. I'm using just 2 of them. Some aluminium supplet. A little bit of mud. It shouldn't be, type of liquid type. Then absorbent white cotton. Fine sand sachet, which you can also call as white sand. Then a syringe, but we don't need this part, so we're gonna keep it aside. Then these type of stands, which we need to hold this tank. You can say a tank stand. So we need these 2. So now we are ready to start. So let's get started. So the first step is to make an lake water. So for that, we need some water in this cup, and according to how much mud you are having. So now I'm having water here. Now what I will be doing is that I'm going to take the mud and going to mix it in this water. So here I'm having 1 scoop of mud. So we need 2 scoops with the small spoon. But for now I'm going to use 2. So let's mix it. Now it's mixed, so now we're going to add this aluminium supplet. So here we would be using just a pinch of aluminium supplet. If you want, you can use more, but less than the mud. Let's mix it up. Now after mixing, we can see it is all like type of dirty water, and so we're going to name it as the lake water. So now we are going to keep this aside for 5 minutes so that all the solid particles in this gets settled down. And when the mud gets settled down, that is known as sedimentation. Let's keep it aside. Okay, so till the sand and the water is being settled, we're gonna make our tank. So here I was having 4 of them. So I'm using a type of foam thingy. So you need to, if you're not having, you can make it using a hard foam. These shapes, these we need 2. So I attached it like these we are having. We're gonna attach like this, and the other one here, and this. So I'm gonna attach the other one, and I will come. So now we are gonna take a syringe and gonna put it in this hole. The hole which is, so I had a thin syringe, that's why it fully went inside. If I would have a thick syringe like this one, I'm having this, like this way we would have, then it would have been till here. But it is okay if it's going till down because there's no issue in that. Now, what we will do is we're going to take the absorbent white cotton, which type of cotton which can absorb the water, any type of liquid. So I'm going to take this much. We're going to put it inside the syringe. We're having a cotton inside the syringe. Now we're going to take our white sand stand, and we're going to put the white sand after the cotton. I'm going to take this much sand and going to put it in the syringe or the tank. Here we are referring this as a tank, so I put it in the tank. Now we're gonna put these pebbles. So I'm gonna just put 2 of them because my syringe is small. If you're having big, you can put 3 to 4, So I'm gonna put them inside. Okay, so now I have put my pebbles also inside. So now we are gonna take another cup and put it here. So here we are going to put it like this way here. So now I'm going to take the lake water. This is the lake water, and I think every solid particle is settled down. So now we're gonna do the decantation process, which means taking out the liquid, which is now fresh, without disturbing the solid particles settled down. So now is the main thing. We're gonna take this and gonna put it inside the syringe, and the fresh water is gonna come down. So let's do it. Take it, and can you see the water coming out? So this is the fresh water. It is fresh, but it doesn't mean that you can drink it. So never try to drink it because it is containing some chemicals set of fine white sand and aluminium supplet. These are not edible. I'm gonna put more. Wow, super. Gonna add more stones so that it gets the pressure of coming of more water. Let's see. So nice. Now I'm gonna put more and more and more because I'm left with some of the water. Even if a little bit of dirty water goes, it will not be dirty. So this was my filtration process. I hope you liked the video. So thank you for watching, and I also hope that you learned something new today. So thank you for watching. Bye.